My favorite part of the English workshop was when I played with my teacher and my friends.
My favorite part is the dance from the golden tickets.
I think the games we do was so funny. We play a lot. I learn a lot. I like it. I like so much the workshop.
I play Violet Bergard. She's a gum chewer and she won a lot of trophies doing that. Also, she's a little show-off. In classes, we read the scripts, practices the dialogue, and sets the tones. Also, I learned how to make a bubble with gum.
I'm Mr. Salt.
And I'm Mike TV.
I read the script, I watched the film, and I recorded the voice.
For me, the funniest moment was when Augustus fell into the chocolate river.
The song that was my favorite was the one called Bones. The English helps me understand the other language in other regions.